Hello guys. Now let us implement receipt calculator using Java programming language. So receipt calculator using Java programming language. Before going into the coding directly, let us understand how we can create a receipt for anything. For suppose say now let us take example of pizza shop. So we'll all love pizza. So let us take pizza shop only. So in pizza, if we see, they will be having major two different categories. Pizzas are like two different categories. In not only pizzas, in every food we will be having two different categories. One is like non-veg, and other one is veg. And in veg and non-veg also, each will be having two different categories again subcategories. That is normal pizza and premium pizza. So normal pizza and premium pizza. So now let us define some values for this normal pizza and medium pizza also. For normal veg pizza, let us take 250 rupees and premium veg 350, and normal non-veg is 300 and premium non-veg can be 400. So these are the pizzas. Now if for suppose say I am taking normal non-veg pizza, normal non-veg pizza, my bill will be starting like this. So 1 into normal non-veg pizza, that is 300. And I also want to add some toppings on of top of it. Toppings nothing but like I want to add extra onions or extra cheese or extra chicken, because I am in chicken also I will definitely adding extra chicken. So we can consider like we can have some toppings also. Toppings can be onions as discussed, onions, mm, cheese, onion, cheese, and chicken. Let's just take only these three for this time, and let us assign some amounts. Onions 15 rupees, cheese 20 rupees, and chicken 50 rupees. So three values. Now I want to add uh, cheese toppings. So 1 into cheese toppings, which is 20 rupees, and also 1 into chicken toppings, which is 50 rupees, and yeah, that's it. Okay, now topping is done. Okay, sometimes if you order from any Swiggy, Zomato, otherwise if any festival is there, we will be definitely having some discount, right? So we can decrease our amount, so we can add the discount portion also. It depends on the time. Now for suppose say I have some discount of 15 percentage. 15 percentage. So what will be the 15 percentage of total amount? First let us calculate the total amount. Total amount will be 370. In 370, the 15 percentage will be 55 rupees. So after discount, total product will be for 314.5 rupees. And on top of it, we have to pay taxes also. Every shop should be having paying the tax. For suppose like tax will be fixed only. So tax 5 percentage. let's take 5% tax. If it is 5% tax on 314.5 rupees, the tax will be 15 rupees. So tax 5 percentage will be 15.725. If we remove that amount, no, we need to add that amount. So we need to add that amount to the discounted value. That will be 330.225. Yes. So this is the basic normal receipt we can have as an example. So if you got it now, how we can calculate the receipt. Okay, now it is fine. We have calculated the receipt, fine. How we will be implementing these features? These features, first let us give the menu to the customer. If the customers enters, we will show him the menu. He want to choose which normal or which premium or non-veg normal or non-veg premium. This is the first step. So once he chooses the value, we'll ask for the toppings he want to add. If he want to add toppings of different numbers, that is, for suppose say first is onion, second is chicken, and third is cheese. After selecting the toppings, we can give him the receipt, total bill receipt. Done. So now let's go to the implementation part of it. So now let us start implementing the code. First we'll create a file, name receipt.java. Yeah, as we know, like we need to follow the ground rules. So the name of the main class should be as same as the name of the file name. So like the class, and that class should be also public, because like if you are writing the main function in this class, that class automatically should be in public. So let us write public main function and some printing hello world. Let us see whether it is working fine or not. Yes, it's printing hello world, so it is working fine. Cool. Okay, now before going into the implementation of a code, let us assume, as we discussed, we'll be having two different kinds of pizza, that is veg and non-veg, and in these two kinds of pizza also we'll be having two subcategories, that is like normal or premium. So for that thing, we can differentiate these four things using two variables. Let me explain you briefly about it. And I am creating an private variable boolean, that is which. So by default it will be true only if, for suppose, if user opts for non-veg, then it will be false. In the same way, we can write for premium and normal also, is premium. So is premium. So variables are done. I think with these two variables we can manage everything. Yes. we can manage everything mostly. So now let us start writing the function for uh, adding the. Okay, we have created the variables. Now let us write constructor for this. Okay, and the constructor should be also in public only. As I already mentioned that we should be writing the constructor in public only. So public, and the constructor name should be same as the class name only, and passing the variables boolean is which and boolean is premium. Now this dot is which equal to is which. Now I will be telling the difference between the this dot switch and switch. So we are passing the same variable names to the constructor switch and premium, and also this class contains the private variables switch and premium. To differentiate these two variables, we will be using this operator. So if we write this operator before any variable name, that means that object, otherwise the variable, is representing the variable in the class. Okay, and now let us write cost function. So cost may be in integers or float value, so I will be writing by default double value only. So for this we won't be sending any variables. Okay, double cost 0. Initially let us make cost will be 0, and for suppose, as we are creating the variables, local variables, so here we can check if it is which, then we can make the cost equal to 250, else we can make it 300, because before we mentioned that veg normal pizza will be 250 and non-veg normal pizza will be 300. So this is what I'm rating. And after this also, if it is premium, let us add the cost of 100. If you see in the previous board, I have written the which normal value is 250 and premium is 350. The difference is 100, and non-veg normal is 300 and non-veg premium is 400. The difference is 100 only. So I can write only once like this. If it is premium, I will be adding 100 only, because for both the difference will be 100 only, and returning that cost. Okay, now cost is done. Now let's write a function for adding toppings. So after adding toppings also, we will be returning the amount only, so the return type will be double only. It will be accepting the current cost and also string value of topping, what type of topping we will be adding. So now if we discuss that we will be placing three types of toppings, right? So let us write those things. Let us check if topping is equals to cheese, then let us add, as we discussed, first cheese is 20, so 20 else if topping dot equals, let us add next is chicken, chicken, and for chicken we discuss 50 rupees. Okay, so 50, adding 50 to the cost, else if topping equals, what else we left with, cheese is done, chicken, onion, onion, and for onion we decided that the price is 15 rupees. Okay, and then we'll be returning the cost. Done. Toppings is also done, calculating the pizza is also done. What else we did? Okay, we left with tax and discount. So first let us write class for tax. So add tax, for this tax will be sending the cost also. So on based of this, return cost plus cost into, so we have discussed that tax will be 5 percentage before, because like CGST and SGST 2.5, which is 5 percentage total, so we can multiply with 0.05 to get the tax for the amount, and we can add the tax and return to the user. Now let us write the function for add discount. For this also we will be sending the amount, double cost, return cost minus cost into, okay, we will be sending cost and also we will be sending the discount amount also, count, because we need to know what is the percentage, because every person to person will be having different discounts, right? So for that thing we need to pass the discount amount also. I think every function we require is finished. Yeah, every function required is finished. So now let us write the main function. Welcome to my pizza shop. And then first we will be asking select the pizza type. So select the pizza type, and the options will be, one is obviously veg, the other one will be non-veg. So let us give prompt for the user to enter the choice, and for that, and after entering the choice we need to save that in any variable, right? So let us create an variable choice into choice, and the choice will be 1 and 2, that is integers. So integers as int stum dot console read line. Okay, so after taking the input we can decide whether it's veg or non-veg. So by default we will be keeping which, as I mentioned in the starting, will be false or true. So now I'm keeping false. Now this value will be changed on based on the choice value. So if choice equal to 1, then we can change this equal to true. So now it is done. We got all the variables what we required. So now let us start creating the object for this receipt class. So the syntax will be object. For creating the object for the class is class name and then variable, object variable name, and using the new operator we will be creating the new object and passing the values of which and is premium. Okay, we forgot to write the is premium. Okay, this is for is which. Now let us ask, do you want premium pizza? So let us ask the customer, do you want premium pizza? Two options, one will be obviously yes or no, yes, and other will be no. So again giving the option to enter the choice for the user, and we got the choice. After getting the choice, we'll create one where local variable same as is veg here. So is premium will be false in the starting, and then same if choice is equal to 1, then is premium will be false. Is premium will be false. Okay, now we got this is premium and is which both. We can calculate the amount from here itself. So double the cost will be getting from the get cost function what we have created before, and then after setting the pizza, yeah, we need to ask for the toppings. Yes, out. So do you want to add any toppings? So let us give the options also. If he clicks on one, let us give cheese. For the second option, we can give chicken, and third option we can give onion. That is what we left with, onion. And now we'll ask for the user to enter the choice. Choice, okay, we have done. Yeah, and also we need to give the option not to add any toppings also. So sort Option 4, no toppings. Okay, after taking the option, if the choice is not 4, then only we need to add the toppings according to the options 1, 2, 3. So not equal to 4. If not equal to 4, then first create empty string for topping, and if choice equal to 1, then the topping should be cheese. Else if choice is 2, topping should be chicken. Else if choice equal to 3, then the topping should be onion. Yeah, now the toppings is done, and what else we have left? The topping, and we'll get the cost. Also cost equal to receipt dot add toppings cost. Okay, so we have sent the toppings also, and we'll get the cost. After getting the cost, what else we left with? Tax will be automatically calculated. Yeah, discount, we need to ask for the discount also. Do you have any discount coupon? Yes. So same exact, no, only you can copy this and paste here. Yes or no choice, and if the choice equal to 1, if it is yes, we need to ask him to enter the discount amount. So enter the discount coupon. And after entering the discount coupon, discount equal to, this will be double, right? For double we'll be using double dot plus double, and same system console lead line. Now we'll be getting the cost, final cost after the discount value. Receipt dot add discount cost and discount. Okay, added. And after that, in the last, we need to add the tax amount. So receipt dot add tax, and finally printing the total cost. Total cost. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, Okay, now let us run this code and check. So select the pizza type. I want non-veg. Premium, yes, obviously I want premium. And toppings, yeah, I want chicken topping. And discount, no, no discount for now. Okay, for 72.5. That's good, good, good. Yeah, this is how we will be doing the receipt calculator for pizza app. Thank you.